This video was digitized from reel of silent 8mm film, and it's of the Blue Angels performing at South Weymouth Naval Air Station on Saturday the 7th and Sunday the 8th of June, 1958. And there was a nice write-up in the paper about this event, and it said that the Blue Angels will have South Weymouth Naval Air Station will open their gates at 10 a.m. and at 3 p.m. the famed Blue Angels flying team will zoom aloft. 4 F11-1 supersonic Grumman Tiger jets will perform intricate maneuvers at speeds in excess of 600 miles per hour with wingtips 5 feet apart. At 2 p.m., a free balloon will take off, also an F4D jet with maximum climb. Other events, race between a jet and an antique car, mirror approach landings, helicopter rescue demonstrations, which I think you just saw there, or it's coming up. Oh, here it is. Here it is coming up right now. Anti-submarine and other special aircraft stunts. Including in the ground exhibits will be Terrier, Talos, Sparrows, Aerobee, and Sidewinder missiles, the record-breaking ZPG-2 blimp, the Super Constellation radar plane with the Rotodome flying saucer, and Skyray F4D jet, which recently broke the vertical climbing record. And as I said, there you get a nice view of the helicopter demonstration. And then it said, just recapping, 10 a.m. was the open house, 1 to 2, a band, music, jet flights by the Weekend Warriors. At 2 p.m., the F4D Skyray vertical climb. At 2:05, ground control approach demonstration. 2:15, free balloon launching. Helicopter rescue. At 2:30, race between the jet and the jalopy. There goes the Blue Angels. 2:40, field carrier landing. 2:50, mirror landings. 3 o'clock, anti-submarine plane S2F demonstration. At 3:10, launch the Blue Angels, so it must be about 3:10 right here. And at 3:15, a P2V-5F maximum performance takeoff, and then 4 p.m. the end of the show. And the Blue Angels performing in 1960 or 1958 were in the number 1 plane, Commander Ed Holley. In the number 2 plane, Captain Stoney Mayock from the U.S. Marine Corps. Number 3 plane, Lieutenant Herb Hunter. Number 4, Bob Rasmussen. Number 5, Lieutenant Jack Dewenter. Number 6, Lieutenant John Demeiller. Number 7, Lieutenant Mark Perrault. And then Commander Nick Glasgow appears to be an extra, and the maintenance officer was Lieutenant Commander Bill Oleson. And just a great look at the Blue Angels and other naval assets here at South Weymouth Naval Air Station on the 7th and 8th of June, 1958. Hope you enjoy. Love to hear your comments. I hope you enjoyed this bit of history. Try to upload military and patriotic videos to my site here, about every other day. And if you're interested in a good read, check out my books at www.edsemler.com.